Hey there, my awesome friends! It's your favorite financial enthusiast, Green Waifu, here to talk about a topic that's been buzzing around lately: cryptocurrency. Now, I know it might sound like a fancy word, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you, no matter your age. So, what is cryptocurrency? Well, think of it as digital money. It's like those cool virtual tokens you might use in video games, but with a twist. Cryptocurrency is based on a technology called blockchain, which is like a super secure digital ledger that keeps track of all the transactions. This also means that cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or bank. Now, here's where the excitement begins. Back in the early days of cryptocurrency, when it was just starting to gain attention, people saw it as a whole new way to make money. They recognized its potential to revolutionize the financial system. One of the most famous examples is Bitcoin, which is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, created in 2009, became a game changer. In the early years, its value was very low, just a few cents. However, as time went on, more people became interested in it, and its value began to skyrocket. Some early investors who believed in Bitcoin and had the foresight to buy it when it was relatively unknown became millionaires almost overnight when the price of Bitcoin soared to thousands of dollars per coin. It was like a digital gold rush, capturing the imagination of many. These success stories fueled the hype and excitement surrounding cryptocurrency. People saw the potential for incredible returns on their investments. They were captivated by the idea of a decentralized digital currency that could disrupt traditional financial systems. But here's the thing, cryptocurrency is also risky. Just like with any investment, there are ups and downs. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, meaning it can experience significant price fluctuations. Let me give you some examples to illustrate this point. In 2017, Bitcoin experienced a massive surge in value, reaching an all-time high of nearly $20,000 per Bitcoin. Many people were drawn to the hype and invested in Bitcoin at that time, hoping to make quick profits. However, shortly after, the value plummeted, and those who bought in at its peak saw their investments lose value. It was a tough lesson for many. These examples highlight the risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. The price volatility can make it challenging to predict and time the market accurately. That's why it's essential to approach cryptocurrency investments with caution and not put all your eggs in one basket. Now, let's dive deeper into why cryptocurrency is both popular and not so popular. On one hand, many people are drawn to the idea of decentralization and the potential for big gains. They see it as a way to take control of their money and invest in something they believe in. For example, let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is not just a cryptocurrency. It's also a platform that enables developers to create smart contracts and decentralized applications. Many people are excited about the potential applications of this technology beyond just digital currency. They believe it has the power to revolutionize industries such as finance, real estate, and supply chain management. The enthusiasm for Ethereum has led to its popularity among investors and developers alike. However, some people are skeptical and hesitant about cryptocurrencies. They worry about the risks and uncertainties surrounding this relatively new form of investment. It's a bit like being torn between two worlds. For instance, one concern is the lack of regulation and oversight in the cryptocurrency market. Unlike traditional financial systems, cryptocurrencies operate outside the control of governments and central banks. This decentralized nature raises questions about consumer protection, security, and potential fraud. Moreover, the high volatility and unpredictable price swings of cryptocurrencies can make some people nervous. Imagine if you bought a cryptocurrency at a high price, and shortly after, its value drops significantly. This volatility can be unsettling for investors who prefer more stable and predictable investments. Additionally, the use of cryptocurrencies for illegal activities, such as money laundering and buying illicit goods, has created a negative perception among some individuals. While it's important to note that the majority of cryptocurrency users are law-abiding, these incidents have raised concerns and contributed to the skepticism surrounding cryptocurrencies. But here's where it gets interesting. Cryptocurrency could potentially be the future of money. Firstly, one of the key advantages of cryptocurrency is its efficiency and accessibility. Traditional financial transactions often involve intermediaries such as banks, which can slow down the process and incur additional fees. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, operates on blockchain technology, which allows for fast and direct peer-to-peer transactions. This means that transactions can be completed quickly and at a lower cost, making it an attractive alternative to traditional payment methods. Moreover, cryptocurrency provides financial inclusion to individuals who may not have access to traditional banking services. In many parts of the world, there are millions of people who are unbanked, meaning they don't have access to basic financial services. Cryptocurrency can bridge this gap by providing a decentralized and accessible means of transferring and storing value. For example, individuals in remote areas without access to banks can use cryptocurrencies to participate in the global economy and engage in financial transactions. Another aspect that makes cryptocurrency appealing is its potential for increased security and privacy. Traditional financial transactions often require revealing personal information, which can be vulnerable to data breaches or identity theft. Cryptocurrency transactions, on the other hand, can offer a higher level of privacy and security through encryption and decentralized networks. This aspect has attracted individuals who value their financial privacy and seek alternatives to traditional financial systems. Additionally, the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies by businesses is a significant factor in its potential future as a widely accepted form of payment. Major companies such as Microsoft and Tesla have started accepting cryptocurrencies as a means of payment for their products and services. This acceptance not only increases the utility and legitimacy of cryptocurrencies, but also provides more opportunities for individuals to use them in their daily lives. Imagine walking into your favorite clothing store and being able to purchase that cool new outfit using your cryptocurrency. It's a glimpse into the future where cryptocurrencies may become a mainstream form of payment. However, we have to be careful and not get carried away by all the excitement. It's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrency is not a guaranteed way to make money. It requires careful research, understanding the market trends, and being prepared for the ups and downs. It's like a game of strategy. So, is now a good time to invest in cryptocurrency? Well, that's a tough question. The truth is, nobody can predict the future with certainty. The value of cryptocurrencies can change rapidly, and it's a highly speculative market. Some people might say it's a great opportunity, while others might advise cash in. The key is to do your own research, consult with experts, and make informed decisions based on your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, my friends, investing in cryptocurrency is like riding a roller coaster. It's exciting, but it can also be unpredictable. If you decide to invest, start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. Diversify your investments and don't put all your money into one cryptocurrency. And most importantly, stay curious and keep learning about the world of finance. I hope this explanation of cryptocurrency has given you a better understanding. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to join our amazing community of money-savvy individuals. Until next time, stay curious and keep growing. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.